For today's video, I will be talking about analog clocks and how to correctly read an analog clock. For the video, we will explore certain times during the day using an interactive online clock. Then, at the end, take the quiz on how well you know what time is being displayed. Before we can start, please scan the second QR code labeled Interactive Clock. It will bring you to this page. Now that we can see what an analog clock looks like, we can describe the components that make up a clock. An analog clock is composed of 12 numbers, 1 to 12. In between these numbers, there are smaller dashes that represent each minute of the day. Since there are 60 minutes in an hour, there are 60 dashes along the border of a clock. To read what time it is, you will have to understand what the two lines in the middle pointing to the numbers represent. In the middle of the clock, there are two stick-looking objects that help us read what time is being displayed. These two sticks are called the minute hand and the hour hand. The hour hand, also the shorter-looking stick, points to the hour of the day which it currently is. The other longer-looking stick is called the minute hand. The minute hand points to what minute it is in current time. There is also a third, thinner yet longer-looking stick called the seconds hand. The seconds hand points to the seconds in which it is currently during the day. So let's try and figure out what time it is. On this clock being displayed, set your main focus on what the two sticks, are minute hand and hour hand, are pointing to. What time is being shown? Notice where the hour hand and the minute hand are pointing to. If the hour hand is pointing at 1, and the minute hand is pointing at 12, this is called 1 o'clock. Let's try another. What time is being shown? Notice the hour hand is pointing to the 6 and the minute hand is pointing to the 12. If you guess that the time being displayed is 6 o'clock, you are correct. Now, since we have established how to read a clock, scan this first QR code labeled 10 Monkeys Clocks. This will bring you to this page. Then, click the first link called Read Time Hours. Once you have done so, you may begin your quiz. After you've completed each problem, it will tell you if you are correct or what you have done wrong within the problem.